Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Lights. And in this session, we are going to talk about asexual reproduction. In natural vegetative propagation, which of the following structures are most likely to give rise to new individuals? A. Stems. B. Roots. C. Buds. D. Leaves. E. Flowers. The plant structures most likely to give rise to new individuals are C. Buds and A. Stems, because stems carry buds. The drawing shows a plant which reproduces vegetatively. Part A. What will need to happen before shoot A to C become independent plants? Part A. The shoots A to C would need to develop a root system and produce enough leaves to maintain the shoots. Food supply by photosynthesis. To become fully independent of the parent plant, the stem connecting the daughter plants to the parent must die and disappear. Part B. How might a gardener assist this process? B. Gardeners may assist this process by pegging down the potential daughter plants at the nodes to encourage root growth. The connecting stem can later be cut. Part C. What name is given to the horizontal stem in this kind of propagation? Part C. The horizontal stem is called a runner. Part D. Name a commercially grown fruit whose plants are propagated in this way. Part D. The most familiar fruit propagated by runners is the strawberry. Before stem cuttings are planted, the cut end of the stem is often dipped in a hormone powder. What is the point of this? The hormone powder contains a plant growth substance which promotes the formation of roots. It may also contain a fungicide which reduces the chance of fungus attack on the cut stem. The following are thought to be some of the advantages of either vegetative reproduction or sexual reproduction. Produce greater variety in the offspring, good at colonizing new areas, reduces competition from other species, maintains desirable qualities in the offspring, good at colonizing favorable areas. Make a table with these qualities under the headings of sexual reproduction and vegetative reproduction. If a gardener wanted to propagate a useful variety of apple tree in a way which maintained all its desirable qualities, which of the following techniques would he use? A. Planting stem cutting in potting composite. B. Grafting stem cutting onto a rootstock. C. Grafting buds onto a rootstock. D. Growing the seeds produced from the useful variety. E. Cross-pollinating the variety with another good variety and growing the seeds resulting from the cross. To propagate a useful variety of apple tree, the gardener would graft either stem cuttings, part B, or buds, part C, onto a root stock. What name is given to a population of genetically identical offsprings, which results from a process of asexual or vegetative reproduction? The population of genetically identical offsprings from asexual reproduction is called a clone. Which structures of a flowering plant give rise to A. Potatoes, B. The fleshy scales of an onion. Part A. A potato is a tuber formed at the end of an underground stem. Part B. Onion scales are modified leaves containing a food store. In the process of tissue culture in plants, what is needed to induce the formation of a complete plant, in addition to a growth medium with nutrients? the appropriate plant growth substance, that is, hormones, would need to be added. Hello, my friends. Thank you very much for attending to Biology Lights. I do encourage you to subscribe.